Hi, this is Dave Bland. On August 9th, 2019, I will be offering a pre-con to the SQL Saturday in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The title of this session is How to Use SQL Server Tools to Find Performance Bottlenecks. This session will be held at Augustana University, which is the same venue as the SQL Saturday the following day. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about where can you find some of your performance bottlenecks. Memory, CPU, even the query itself can be a bottleneck. We're going to talk about how to use native SQL Server tools to find these problems. Although the focus of this session is to find the problem, we will spend some time talking about how to fix them. Solution is very important, and so we will have a number of different techniques that you can utilize to fix the problem. This session will include well over 45 demos, of which you will have access to all the code after the session is over. Again, the focus of this session is how to use native SQL Server functionality to find your bottlenecks. We will talk about configuration. There are many aspects of both server and database configurations that can have an impact on performance. We will talk about the memory settings, min server settings, and max server settings. How should you set them? How can they have an impact on performance? We will also get into the tempDB, number of files, size of the file, and how can those impact performance. Max degree of parallelism and cost threshold for parallelism are both server level settings that, if not set properly, can have a detrimental impact on performance. We're going to talk about what they should be set at. Query Store is a very great tool that has come with the newer versions of SQL Server. We can use this to not only find queries that are poor performing, but also queries that, say, a month ago were really fast, but now not so much. So we can utilize this to find those problems. DMVs are always an option. We will cover a number of DMVs through the course of this session, specifically the DMOS performance counters. There's a lot of really good information here. We're going to talk about how to extract it and how to interpret it. We're going to talk about the various isolation levels of reading and writing of data and how they can conflict with each other and have an impact on performance. Column statistics, we're going to get into what are they, how are they created, and how can they have an impact on performance. This is a very important in some of the internals inside SQL Server that many times are overlooked. We're going to talk about execution plans, scans versus seeks, and the different operators that are associated with them, hash matches versus nested loops, which is better, which is faster. And we're going to talk about a lot of the different properties of the various operators that we can utilize to help find the bottlenecks. Extended events is a great tool that came around with SQL Server 2008, and there are lots of really good events that we can utilize to help find our bottlenecks. We're going to talk about how to create them. When should I create them? What events should I capture? And then once we have the data, we want to talk about how we can extract that data so we can utilize it to get our queries to perform faster. We're going to obviously talk about a lot of different things through the course of the day. Again, over 45 demos, and again, the code will be made available to you. This is going to be a really fun day. Hopefully you'll join us, be able to learn a lot, and walk away, be able to take this code and actually use it your next working day. Hopefully I'll see you on August 9th, as well as on August 10th for the Sioux Falls SQL Saturday.